Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. GLA is everything you need in a compact SUV, like flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, and everything you want in Mercedes-Benz. It comes with great features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, external memory control, push button start, driver memory seats, and power heated mirrors. This from Cars.com. Small in size, but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,